A very pleasant morning, ladies and gentlemen. We, on behalf of Bhatnagar International School, Basant Kunj, accord a warm welcome to one and all to Krishna Katha Sagar. Festivals are characterized by color, gaiety, enthusiasm, prayers and rituals. Today, as we celebrate Janmashtami, let's seek the blessings of Lord Krishna, an embodiment of supreme consciousness and bliss. God of compassion, Lord of tenderness, the omnipresent Lord Krishna is known by many and epithets. Krishna is the essence and epitome of divine love. Krishna is exaltation. Krishna is awareness. Krishna is the absolute truth. Before the commencement of the event, let's fondly take the benedictions from our founder chairman, Sir Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar, a great soul who optimized dedication, diligence and determination. Dr. Shri V.K. Bhatnagar was an educationist par excellence, whose spirit of selfless service made him an inspiring role model. We resolve to emulate his ideas and ideologies, deeply cherishing his lasting legacy. To have amidst us the gracious presence of esteemed Director Ma'am, Miss Mamta V. Bhatnagar. With her passion for education and love for children, coupled with the foresightedness, vision and progressive thinking, the Institute has been growing and blossoming. We offer our sincere salutations and warm greetings, respected Ma'am. It is our special privilege to honor our Chairman Sir, Mr. Vikram Bhatnagar. Honorable Sir, as an educationist, is focused on providing education based on competencies, creating experiential and joyful learning. He leaves no stone unturned to venture into newer and challenging territories. We accord a warm welcome to you, respected Sir, and offer our reverential greetings. We take the opportunity to welcome respected Principal Ma'am. As an enlightened educationist, she seeks to create in her pupils a social consciousness and the need to build a world society based on peaceful coexistence. Under her dynamic leadership and her flair for art and culture, we present Krishna Katha Sagar. We now have a message from our Principal Ma'am, Ms. Shilpa Bhatnagar.
Greetings to all. It is my pleasure to meet you all in yet another grand virtual event, Krishna Katha Sagar, an inter-school Janmashtami celebration. This festival marks the birth of Lord Krishna, the transcendental form of eternity, supreme consciousness and beauty. It ushers in happiness and faith, enabling one to achieve the most exalted position within the spiritual world. Events of this nature channelize the mind in a positive direction and provide a creative platform to our budding artists to weave a tapestry enriched by the ethos of our culture. The powerful message of Krishna's life philosophy and teachings evoke a sense of dedication, which is awakened by spiritual cognizance to identify the elements of goodness and destroy the evil force within us. Trust the unfolding of life, and you will attain true serenity, says the Bhagavad Gita. Let us harness the power within us and unleash our true inner strength. This event is a plethora of vibrant, scintillating performances in the form of a musical ballet, promising to leave everyone mesmerized with sublime festive memories. Wishing you all a Shubh Janamashtami. Jai Shri Krishna.
शुभ घड़ी आई आई शुभ घड़ी आनंद मंगल बेला छाई रे शुभ घड़ी आई
Aghasura, with his mystic powers, took the shape of a huge serpent and stretched his mouth wide open like a mountain cave. While playing, all the cowherd boys, cows and calves entered to the mouth of this demon serpent. At last, Krishna entered into his cave-like mouth of the demon. Aghasura tried to smash Krishna and kill him, but Krishna expanded himself in the throat of the demon. He was suffocated and fell down dead. On seeing Lord Krishna and the cowherd boys and cows coming out of Aghasura's mouth, the demigods in the sky felt overwhelmed with joy and at once showered flowers and praised him, and once again Lord Krishna defeated the demon. Let's call upon Bhatnagar International Foundation School to view this heroic defeat of Aghasura by Lord Krishna. Thank you.
Once Kans, Krishna's wicked uncle, sent Aghasur to kill Krishna. Aghasur, as a mile-long serpent, lay still against a mountain and opened his big mouth like a cave. Krishna and his friends were playing nearby.
Friends, it's such a lovely day. Let's go and play. Krishna, look! We have never seen that cave. Let us explore the cave. You all may go. I will take care of the cows. But be careful. I will play my flute and relax. Oh, what's that? I saw something move on the cave. That's a demon.
the danger. Aghasur waited for Krishna to enter its mouth.
Prince, I am here. Do not panic. He has entered the mouth of Aghasur. I will save you. Krishna increased himself in size until Aghasur was choked and his eyes popped out. Aghasur was suffocated. Krishna came and finally burst out of Aghasur's body. Aghasur is dead. You all are safe, friends. Thus Krishna kills Aghasur, the mighty demon. Everyone rejoice with jubilation.
गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो 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 राधा रमण हरि गोपाल बोलो राधा रमण हरि गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो
Dhenukasur, their deadly donkey, was killed by Balram, Krishna's elder brother. Dhenuka, with his other demon donkeys, ruled over the forest of Talavan and the banks of Yamuna river. Once, Balram, Krishna and cowards wandered into this forest, captivated by the fragrance of the fruits of the palm trees. When Krishna commented on the sweet taste of the fruit, Balram shook the trees and the fruits fell on the ground. The jealous demon Dhenuka charged at Balram and kicked him with his hind legs. Balram cut hold of Dhenuka's legs and felled him towards the tree, shattering his chest, neck and face. As the tree fell with the demon, Balram killed Dhenuka's demon attendants and set the forest open for the people and cowards to graze on its lush grassland fearlessly. This defeat of Dhenukasur, the deadly donkey, has important significance. The feelings of anger, greed, envy destroy our peace and love for one another. This defeat by Balram signifies that the good in people will always win over the bad. Now we have the students from convent of Rani Jhansi to depict this fearless defeat of Dhenukasur, the deadly donkey. Thank you. Where
whole, complete, entire, timeless universe. All the stars and planets of space and distance between them, all lands, seas of earth and life in them, all the days of yesterday and all the days of tomorrow, all ideas and all emotions, all pity and all hope, and the three strands of matter, its dynamic, eternal, metaphysical conception of the cosmos. This is because he is beyond time and space, the Paramatma. Now, Vivek Summit School will tell us more about the story.
invite only sufferings. Krishna's Leela taught Indra the hard lessons of life. Krishna was a little boy when he lifted the Govardhan Parvat with the little finger of his left hand. The false pride of King Indra was shattered to pieces. He came to Lord Krishna with folded hands and prayed him for forgiveness. Shri Krishna, being the Supreme Personality of Godhead, bestowed bestowed his grace on Indra and also enlightened him about his dharma and duty. One cannot earn love and respect through force and compulsion. It's a reward one earns by showing humility. Now, Sapling School will tell us more about this story.
Sacrifices to please me. Ha ha ha! Your prosperity is in my hands. To please Indra, the god of rain. Yes, otherwise he will be upset with us. Baba, what are you doing? Son, we are preparing for yagna to please Indra, the god of rain. But why is it so important to please the Lord of Rain? Lord Indra provides us with precious water through rainfall, and without rainfall we cannot farm or produce grains. But why yagna? Gratitude, my dear son, gratitude. We must show our gratitude towards Lord Indra through this yagna. But Father, don't we all know that if one works carefully, the result is sure to be good? So I think one should do one's duty first. No way, we can't displease the Lord of Fate. No rain means no food for cat ants, and no milk and no water in the field. And you never know how this moody god will punish us. God is kind. He looks after the well-being of people. Besides, it's the green forests and the grass-covered hills on which we are dependent. So should we worship Govardhan Hill or Lord Indra sitting pretty in heaven? You are right, Krishna. From now on, we will worship Govardhan Parvat also. Ignoring me and worshipping a hill instead of me? Oh, my warrior clouds, go and scrub the scars of Vrindavan and shower rain with all your strength. Teach them a lesson. Let's see who will save them. Don't worry, you will be safe. Come along with me, please. About your instruction to this yagna only to teach you a lesson. Abandon your ego and continue to exercise your power in a proper manner. Paritraya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे, सज्जन पुरुषों के कल्याण के लिए, दुष्कर्मियों के विनाश के लिए और धर्म की स्थापना के लिए मैं युगों युगों से प्रत्येक युग में जन्म लेता आया हूँ। मित्रता कोई स्वार्थ नहीं, बल्कि एक विश्वास है, जहाँ सुख में हंसी मजाक से लेकर संकट तक साथ देने की जिम्मेदारी होती है। कितने खुश हुए थे माधव सुदामा के द्वार आने पर, नंगे पांव दौड़े थे गोविंद उसे घर अपने बुलाने पर। तीनों लोग लुटा दिए गाना चावल के आधे दाने पर, मर जाए कोई भी केशव आपके से याराने पर। भगवान श्री कृष्ण और सुदामा की अद्वितीय मित्रता हम सबके लिए एक मिसाल है, जिस पर अब आप सभी के समक्ष एक संगीतमय नृत्य नाटिका प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं। इसमें बताया गया है कि मित्रता का भाव हर रिश्ते को अनूठा व सुंदर बना देता है।
संसार में सबसे बड़ी शक्ति है मित्रता। यदि सच्ची मित्रता प्राप्त हो जाए तो वही सबसे बड़ा धन है। जब आप कठिनाइयों में होंगे तो मित्रता शस्त्र बनकर सहायता करेगी। मार्ग भटक जाओगे तो मित्रता शास्त्र बनकर आपको राह दिखाए। षड्यंत्र में फंस जाओगे तो बुद्धि बनकर बाहर निकालेगी। अकेले हो जाओगे तो ममता बनकर साथ निभाएगी। तो यदि इस संसार में कुछ कमाना है तो धन नहीं, मित्रता कमाओ।
मैंने आपको कितनी बार कहा, आपके मित्र श्री कृष्ण अब द्वारकाधीश बन गए, उनके पास जाओ। स्वर्ण नगरी बनाई है उन्होंने, कुछ नहीं तो थोड़ा स्वर्ण ही ले आना वहां से।
कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण, देवकी नंदन तुमको वंदन रखते सबकी लाज, सबके स्वामी अंतर्यामी पूरन कीजिए काज। देवकी नंदन तुमको वंदन रखते सबकी लाज, सबके स्वामी अंतर्यामी पूरन कीजिए काज। मन मंदिर में सजे बिहारी, मनमोहन तेरी छवि अति प्यारी। मन मंदिर में सजे बिहारी, मनमोहन तेरी छवि अति प्यारी। बंसी बजैया रास रचैया, तारनहार मेरे तुम ही केवैया। तुमसे बड़ा कहाँ कौन कन्हैया। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। देवकी नंदन तुमको वंदन रखते सबकी लाज, सबके स्वामी अंतर्यामी पूरन कीजिए काज।
यदि इस संसार में मित्र बनाना आपकी सबसे बड़ी दुर्बलता है तो आप इस संसार के सबसे शक्तिशाली प्राणी।
Kalia, the deadly serpent, occupying the river Yamuna, had poisoned its waters, turning it black in color. Krishna had jumped into the water to kill the serpent. He was hauled around by Kalia. When soon he was reminded by divine powers, he uncoiled himself from the serpent, and the hunch on its head wanted to kill it. But temptation of the wives of Kalia, he left it alone and asked them all to leave the shores of Yamuna. The banishment of Kalia from the Yamuna has an important significance. Those who have a purpose to create trouble amongst the pure devotees of Lord Krishna by infecting their nature with their own wicked doings are successful initially, but are soon met with the presence of Lord Krishna himself. We now present the kids' way to depict this defeat of Kalia, the Serpent King.
5,000 years ago, in the Dwapara Yuga, Krishna, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu, one of the Holy Trinity, lived in Vrindavan. He took birth to cleanse the earth of evil. Krishna had many encounters with the evil forces, and one of them was Kalia, a poisonous serpent.
Oh my god, sweet notes of Krishna's flute are so enchanting. Hey Krishna, let's play. I have a ball. Would you be interested? Why not? Let's play. Oh goodness, the ball has gone into the river. Let's beat it. No, you will run. You are not going into the river. Let me go. Oh Krishna, where are you? I can't see you. I shall go home and get mother for help.
Krishna jumps into the river. At the bottom of the river, the giant Kalyanag confronted Lord Krishna in his tail.
I will ensnare you in coils and you will be dead. Ha ha ha. Easier said than done, you evil spirit. Now your days are over. What are you doing? That's just the beginning, Kalia. You have to give up on your evil ways.
Krishna jumps on the multiple heads of Kalia. Kalia starts to vomit blood.
My head! How come the ball is so heavy? The weight of the whole universe would surely be heavy. Mercy! Lord, mercy! I realize your greatness now and surrender. So leave the Yamuna River and go back to Raman's island where you came from. But I will be trapped by Garuda on Ramanka Island, you vicious foe of serpents. I promise you, nothing will happen to you if you take my command. Right by your command, O great Krishna.
Krishna slowly rose up from the bottom of the river while dancing victoriously on Kalia's head. When people of Nand Gokula saw Krishna, they were elated and relieved to saw him back. Kalia was pushed to Patla, where he sat to reside till this day.
Krodha dvavati sangmoha, sangmohat smruti vivramah, smruti भ्रंशात् बुद्धि नाशो, बुद्धि नाशात् प्रणश्यते। क्रोध से मनुष्य की मति मारी जाती है, यानी मूढ़ हो जाती है, जिससे स्मृति भ्रमित हो जाती है। स्मृति भ्रम हो जाने से मनुष्य की बुद्धि नष्ट हो जाती है और बुद्धि नष्ट हो जाने से मनुष्य खुद का अपना ही नाश कर बैठता है। अभिनंदन, आपके समक्ष भटनागर इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, भेरा एन्क्लेव, पश्चिम बिहार के छात्र एक संगीतमय नाटिका प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। प्राचीन धर्म ग्रंथों और वेद पुराणों के अनुसार जब अत्याचार अपनी अति पर पहुंचता है तो स्वयं अपने अंत को नियंत्रित करता है।
की गागर भर चुकी है। देवकी और वासुदेव का 8वां पुत्र ही तेरा वध करेगा और संसार को तेरे अत्याचारों से मुक्ति दिलाएगा।
कृष्ण आओ, ये युद्ध भूमि है, यही मैं तुम्हारा अंत करूंगा। मैं आकाशवाणी को सिद्ध करूंगा। कहीं भय तो नहीं लग रहा मेरे भांजे? चिंता मत करो, तुम्हारे मामा श्री बहुत दयालु हैं। तुम्हारा अंत करने से पहले मैं महाबली कंस तुम्हें एक अवसर अवश्य दूंगा। आओ, मेरे चरणों पे अपना शीश रखो, मैं महाबली कंस तुम्हें क्षमा दान दे दूंगा।
तुम जैसा एक मतिहीन असुर ही ऐसी सोच रख सकता है कि जो व्यक्ति खुद अपने अंतिम क्षणों को जी रहा हो वो क्या किसी को अंतिम अवसर देगा। कंस, मैं भय, क्षमा, पाप, पुण्य सबसे परे, परंतु आज मैं तुम्हें एक अंतिम अवसर दे रहा हूँ। ध्यान से सुनना, इसके पश्चात सब कुछ बदल सकता है। मुक्ति को पाने के 3 मार्ग हैं, कर्म, भक्ति और ज्ञान। कर्म तुम्हारे ऐसे हैं जिनमें केवल पाप रहा है, भक्ति तुम में अंश मात्र भी नहीं है। मुक्ति को पाने का एकमात्र मार्ग है ज्ञान मार्ग। नियति तुम्हारे कर्मों द्वारा लिखी जाती है। कंस, तुम जीवित रह सकते हो, अपनी मृत्यु को टाल सकते हो। आज तक तुमने जो कुछ भी किया है वह पाप है, ये स्वीकार करोगे? कहो कंस, ये अंतिम अवसर है।
वो रहा तेरा कृष्ण।
कृष्ण, तू आ गया मेरा पुत्र कृष्ण।
मुझे तो आना ही था, आप दोनों को मुक्त कराने मुझे तो आना ही था।
अपनी माँ का आदेश स्वीकार करो और अंत कर दो इस कंस का।
मैं तुम्हें मारने में असफल रहा। कौन हो तुम?
अगर यही जानना तुम्हारी अंतिम इच्छा है तो तथास्तु।
Krishna and the little bird. The little bird, Bakasur or demon, was killed by Krishna. It represents anathas, preventing a devotee from attaining pure love for Krishna. These undesirable impurities and demoniac qualities by pretending to have higher standards must be completely uprooted from the core of one's heart. Only 7% of pure devotees can eternally live in Vrindavan, blissfully serving Krishna. His glory is unsurpassable. His stories are a source of joy and inspiration for people from all walks of life. Now Manas Thali will build up a story, will present this story.
Kans, the wicked maternal uncle of Krishna, knew that Krishna was in Gokul and feared that one day Krishna would kill him. Kans wanted to kill Krishna and spent all his time thinking of devious plans for doing so. One day he called the demon Bakasur and asked him to go and kill Krishna. Bakasur decided to take the form of a huge bird to frighten young Krishna. One day Krishna was playing with his friends in the forest of Gokul when he saw a giant bird swooping down on them. Krishna at once realized that it was a demon sent by Kans to kill him.
Oh, Bakasur has found Krishna. Let us observe what he is up to.
Krishna! Look, it's a demon! He will eat us! Run, everyone! Krishna! Run away from there before it devours you! Do not be afraid, my dear friends. It's just a harmless bird. Krishna! Oh no! Get away!
Ha 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 ha!
Krishna! Oh, no.
First tasty morsel of a great feast to come. What has this beast done? We must destroy this foul demon and try to save Krishna before it's too late. Let's go! Indra, so nice of you to drop by. Do I owe the pleasure of a visit from the neighbors? We do not bring you the pleasure, Bakasur, but our vengeance. Your firepower is no match for me. It seems that this evil demon is immortal. All we can do is send prayers for Krishna's return.
As the bird came closer, the brave Krishna caught its beak and quickly got inside it. Inside the beak, Krishna wriggled around so much that Bakasur's beak was broken. Exhausted, Bakasur died after some time and fell to the ground.
Everything is alright, my dear friends. Wake up. You can open your eyes now. Krishna, oh Krishna, you are safe from the mouth of death. There is no match of your incredible strength. You vanquished the demon with your bare hands. Yes, I am absolutely fine, my friends. Let's go back home. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारतः अभ्युत्थानं धर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्। जब जब धर्म का लोप होता है और अधर्म में वृद्धि होती है, तब तब मैं धर्म के अभ्युत्थान के लिए स्वयं की रचना करता हूँ, अर्थात अवतार लेता हूँ। सुस्वागतम। आपके समक्ष मानव स्थली स्कूल आर ब्लॉक के छात्र भगवान श्री कृष्ण के जन्म पर एक संगीत में नृत्य नाटिका प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं, जिसमें वह आपको दिव्य भगवान श्री कृष्ण का जन्म, कृष्ण की लीला, जो उन्हें समझ सकता है वो जीवन मरण के चक्र से मुक्त होकर पुनर्जन्म नहीं लेता, सदा के लिए कृष्ण के लोक का वासी हो जाता है।
मेरे माता पिता, अब आपके कष्ट के दिन समाप्त हो गए। पृथ्वी को इन दुष्टों के दुराचारों से मुक्ति दिलाने के लिए मैंने ही ये रूप धारण किया। पिताश्री, मैं आपसे विनती करता हूँ कि आप मुझे अपने मित्र नंद के घर ले चलें, जहाँ पर उनकी पत्नी यशोदा ने एक बालिका को जन्म दिया है। उस बालिका को यहाँ लाकर मुझे यशोदा के बगल में सुला दें।
भगवान ने एक शिशु का रूप धारण किया और एक चमत्कार हुआ। वसुदेव और देवकी की बेड़ियां खुल गईं। कारागार के बाहर सारे सैनिक सो गए और वसुदेव अपने मित्र नंद के घर की ओर चल दिए। चलते चलते उनके रास्ते में एक बड़ी सी नदी आई और वह सोचने लगी कि
मैं इस नदी को कैसे पार करूं? हे भगवान, अब आप ही मुझे कोई रास्ता दिखाएं।
तभी भगवान की कृपा से नदी ने उन्हें रास्ता दे दिया और वह नंद के गांव पहुंच गए, जहां उन्होंने भगवान कृष्ण को यशोदा के बगल में लिटा दिया और वहां से बालिका को अपने साथ कारागार में ले आए।
नहीं भ्राता, इस शिशु को मत मारिए। आपने मेरे सारे निर्दोष बच्चों को मारा है, किंतु ये तो एक छोटी सी बालिका है। इतनी छोटी सी बालिका आपको क्या बिगाड़ पाएगी? इसे छोड़ दो।
इसे छोड़ दूं? कभी नहीं। मुझे क्या मूर्ख समझा है? मुझे इस बालिका को मारना ही होगा, क्योंकि ऐसे तुम्हारी 8वीं संतान है।
8वीं संतान माता के रूप में प्रकट होती है और कहती है,
अरे मूर्ख, इन निर्दोष बच्चों की हत्या कर तुझे कोई लाभ नहीं होगा। तेरे संहारक का जन्म तो कहीं और हो चुका है।
संज्ञात संजायते कामात्, कामात् क्रोधो भिजायते। विषय वस्तुओं के बारे में जानने से मनुष्य को आसक्ति होती है। इससे मनुष्य में कामना यानी इच्छा पैदा होती है और कामना में विघ्न आने से क्रोध की उत्पत्ति होती है। सुप्रभातम, आप सभी के समक्ष भटनागर इंटरनेशनल स्कूल समिट एवं पश्चिम बिहार के छात्र एक संगीतमय नाटिका प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। धर्म ग्रंथों और वेद पुराणों के अनुसार जब मनुष्य अपनी अति पर पहुंचता है तो वह स्वयं अपने अंत को नियंत्रित करता है।
Hearing the glories of Krishna and Balaram perturbs Kant. He summons the mighty demon Pralambasura to abduct Balaram. So Pralambasura transports himself to the scorching land of
आध्यात्मिक और मानसिक स्वास्थ्य को तरोताजा कर देता है, जो उन्हें दिव्य के साथ अपने संबंधों के बारे में बताता है। गीत गोविंद की एक पंक्ति है, स्मर घर लखंडनम मम शिरसि मंडनम देहि पद पल्लवम उदारम। अर्थात मेरे सिर पर अपने कमल समान चरणों के स्पर्श से मेरे प्रेम की अग्नि को शांत करो। भगवान श्री कृष्ण को एक दिव्य अवतार माना जाता है। वह राधा से कहते हैं, जो एक साधारण महिला है, वह उसे किसी भी तरह से ठेस पहुंचाने के लिए क्षमा मांगते हैं और क्षमा के संकेत के रूप में अपने सिर को उसके पैरों से छूना चाहते हैं। 10 अवतारों का सर्वशक्तिमान प्यार और दुलार के रूप में यह एक शिक्षाप्रद प्रसंग है, जो बताता है जीवन की आवश्यकता है प्रेम और गोपी के रूप में सक्षम ईश्वर प्रेम। अब आपके समक्ष भटनागर इंटरनेशनल स्कूल वसंत कुंज के छात्र एक नृत्य नाटिका प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं।
था ही राधा का दीवाना। था। मैं पहला हूँ जो राजपुत्र ना होने के बावजूद राजा बना। मैं मनोविज्ञान का सरताज हूँ और मेरी कही भगवत गीता उसका जीता जागता सबूत है। मेरा मन हो, मेरा जीवन या फिर मेरी कही भगवत गीता, उससे ज्यादा मूल्यवान मनुष्य के पास और कुछ नहीं। और मेरी कही गीता का सार भी था, जीवन का है तुम्ही कहते रहो भाग्य
A road to prosperity is possible with the amalgamated efforts of all concerned, and that culminates into a grand successful event. On behalf of our esteemed Principal Ma'am, Ms. Shilpa Bhatnagar, we extend our gratitude and thankfulness to Director Ma'am for her inspiring, gracious presence. Our sincere thanks to Honorable Chairman Sir, Mr. Vikram Bhatnagar, for his visionary approach, prudence and commitment. To the dignitaries for being an integral part of the gala event. To the parents for their support and encouragement. To the members of the staff and faculty members for their persistent effort. And above all, the adorable, treasured students who made Krishna Katha Sagar a grand celebration. Wishing you all happy Janmashtami. Thank you once again.